Hello YouTubes, we have an important mission today. Today we are on the hunt for the wild hairy haggis. It is January the 25th, which can mean only one thing if you're Scottish or have any culture. It's Rabbie Burns night tonight. We celebrate the life of a famous Scottish poet named Robert Burns by eating haggis, neeps and tatties. You don't get haggis in Canada, you have to import it. So that's what we're doing today. We're on the hunt for some wild hairy haggis. While we're out and about, I'm going to test my action camera. I tested it the other day on a very dull day, and as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous today, so we'll get to see how this little budget action cam actually works. So let me grab my stuff, grab my money, because haggis isn't cheap in these parts, and we'll get going. Right, I've got my cash out the piggy bank, got the action cam set up, which is over there. Now, as I may have mentioned before, this little action cam, it does have an internal mic, but once you put the waterproof box around it, you can't use the mic. So I will be playing some lovely music, and I'm actually going to list the ingredients of what's actually in haggis. You may be offended. Right, let's go. We're at Across the Pond, British Imports. Hopefully this will be a short hunt and we can get on our way. Wow, what a shop. So this is Hamilton, Parkdale, South. Everything you could ever want from the UK, that is. I need to bring Elsa back because there's tons of stuff that I didn't even recognise that you can get from the UK now. So, good to know. Right, gonna head home. Almost forgot about the potatoes and turnips. That's the Neeps and Tatties, by the way. Okay, I'll grab them and then I'll see you at the house. Mission accomplished. Now I know there's going to be some haggis purists out there up in arms that I got tinned haggis. Truth is, we actually prefer the tinned stuff. I know. Plus, the fresh stuff you get over here isn't quite as good as the stuff you get in Scotland. Anyway, that's done. I need to go in and edit that footage and see if that action cam is better in the sunlight. I've got a feeling it's not much better, but still acceptable. But that's a whole other subject. Talking of which, I need to get back onto my hot rod, back onto the Low Cost 7 project. I think we've done enough mini stuff for now. Quick hello to all the Brits moving to Canada people that are hopefully joining us today, and you get a little taste of what life's like in Canada in winter. It's pretty good, really. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm away to enjoy some haggis, neeps and tatties. I'll post some pictures so you know what on earth this looks like. It tastes better than it looks, trust me. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.